a little driveway there.
So what did Santa leave you in the shed? Oh,
Probably this way.
hold on. Let's check this door.
What's gonna be in there?
What did he put in my shed?
Santa.
What's that?
Wow!
Hey! Looks like a car.
Wow! He left that for you?
Let's help me open up the other door for
A big bow! Look at that!
Santa bring you?
So what was that wheelbarrow back there? Look at that.
you. Wow, a car.
Wow, Santa, that is so cool.
You want to get in? Matt. Yeah. You know what to do next.
Whoa.
I got it.
Whoa. That is awesome.
Whoa!
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Close the door, Matt. Close the door there. Lift up, yeah.
Hey, you wanna hold
And then you charge it with the gas.
Come on, Barley, hit the gas.
How cool is that?
Really
That's
cute.
where you plug
You
the
ready?
phone to.
Put your hands on the wheel.
Gotta drive straight. No drunk driving here.
Ready and... Oh.
Whoa.
I was gonna say, I didn't know which mode it was in. Okay, try again.
Whoa!
Whoa! There you go.
Go ahead.
Go straight. Okay, ready? Yeah, we'll go nice and slow down. There she goes.
Oh, there it goes.
You made the pathway perfect.
Okay, go this way.
Go that way.
Okay, go ahead, Barley, hit the gas.
All right.
Turn, turn, turn. This way. Go ahead, hit the gas. Cool. Look where you're going. Look where you're driving. Turn, turn. All the way. Look, turn this way. Ready? Go ahead, hit the gas. Again.
Cool.
Okay, Barley, turn. Go ahead, keep going. Okay, let's turn right. Turn right.
Good job.
Keep turning right. Keep turning right.
Good girl.
Don't hit the snowman. Okay, ready?
Snowman.
Did you hit the snowman? Oh.
Uh-oh. Frosty the snowman down. He's down.
Go ahead, hit the gas. Hit the gas. All right.